Hi. Well, today I'm editing a video that I shot in January of 2020. You'll see me driving around in a car and doing all kinds of things that when I released this in April of 2020 really wasn't allowed. Stay home, stay safe. I'm being safe because I'm at home editing my videos. You be safe too. But the thing I'm showing you is kind of cool, so pick one up. Next time you can get in the car, go for a ride, use this thing. On to the video. Well, what are we fixing today? Well, as you can see, we're on the move. We're headed to a place about a half hour away, and I didn't really ask my wife, but she didn't say no. So we're going to do a video today. I have a little thingy here. We're going to do, and I'll give you the name and the Amazon link in the description. But this is supposed to plug into my cigarette lighter. And there's a place in here to put power to your device. And there's a place in here to put a USB stick with music on it, which I have. And this is supposed to broadcast an FM station that you could pick up with your radio, and then you can basically get your audio from your phone into your car so you can hear it. I had some trouble the last trip, and I got a trip coming up, so I'm gonna give this a shot. What do you think? Well, here's the car radio. I know it's gonna be a little jittery on the move here. Well, I can rest my hand on the shift lever. That can't go wrong. Plug it in, see what happens. It's probably searching for a Bluetooth. Let's see. Well, we don't want to show you that. It's flashing. Yeah, I'm not driving. The boss is driving. Let's see. Find my Bluetooth. I don't want to show you too much of what's going on the screen. Alright. Rov. I don't know if it's that or that. The only available device that has a weird number like that would have to be this one, so let's go for that one. Pair with, okay. So it's happy. That is, what does that say on there? BT, oh, so it's upside down. I'm connected to that. What do I get? Connected to it again. Well, I repowered it. Connected for calls and audio.
In a quarter mile at the traffic circle, continue straight onto South Racine Avenue.
Let's find something that I can play that's okay to play. The Easter egg of this this video is, where are we driving and where are we going to? Because you could hear my wife's phone making noise over there. So, all right. I think I'm going to let's see. Okay.
In 600 feet at the traffic circle,
let's start with
the
this.
second exit onto the I-43 north
let's
ramp
keep
to
going.
Milwaukee.
I gotta find some audio that's okay. You can't just play you can't play Pandora because you can't play songs.
Traffic circle onto the ramp.
YouTube doesn't like that because you got to pay copyright and all kinds of stuff, right? So I gotta find something that I can play. Let's just do it this way. So it says Bluetooth, but I got a stick. Let's see if I can play the stick, and then I'll come back with some music that I can play. See what happens when I stick a stick in here. I should be able to. I'm supposed to be able to figure out what the broadcast frequency is. So let's just stick the stick in. Oh, there. So one of them says music. There's play and reverse. So let's stick this in here. Did it say something else there?
I can't read it.
73.9. All right.
You can turn the radio on.
As you get that on, what else? Is there a 70?
3.9. It said.
Well, you can't get to a 73. So. What are you doing? Okay, stop, because you're going to find the station. The sound is down, so none of that's going to help you. Something has to be coming through. I have to be able to see what it says. Let me do it this way. 14.0. See, instructions would be great. It's supposed to be easy.
Yeah. Right.
Okay.
Easy too.
What's this? Struggling is always an option. All right. You must have to know what the frequency is. And I offhand don't know what the frequency is, so I have to look it up. Oh, and I can put my finger in front of the camera and we can make all kinds of fun. So I'm going to look up the frequency, and because I think that's what I need to do here. So,
Half a mile, take exit 314B for Howard Avenue.
alright, so I'm going to try plugging in the phone. Phone into there.
Take exit 314B.
Alright.
In 1,000 feet, turn right onto West Howard Avenue. Turn right onto West Howard Avenue.
Phone into here. Okay, can't have that noise. Turn Bluetooth back on.
In half a mile, turn right onto South Whitnell Avenue.
Grab that one. just says Bluetooth. Done. Well, that's all fancy. Didn't do anything. What is it? Push the buttons on it, I don't know. Hey, dropped my coffee. That's awesome. No dropping coffee. That's a rule.
No drinking coffee, so
No drinking coffee is a rule. No, that's a bad rule.
it's a good rule.
Alright, put that in there. Let's see if this comes up. Okay, somewhere it's supposed to say what it is. This is fun. This is an awesome piece of kit.
Awesome piece of
Kit. K. With a K.
I just said
Not a
awesome.
piece of shit. It's a piece of kit.
I just said awesome piece. I didn't say it's what. Junk.
Turn right onto South Whitnell Avenue.
Well, obviously, this is fun. Alright, I figured it out. What you gotta do is a button on the top here. Hold this down. Click it.
That is Wiggly which I'll show you shortly. 2,
And it'll tell you,
I think there's a
what
plug
station?
down the line a little bit, so we're going to snake it.
as you can hear,
3,
I got one of my videos playing.
4 things.
So I know that's copyright protected. So, I mean, copyright okay, because I say it's okay. Because it's me talking.
Do something that I got
So
the
now I
missus
can-
for Christmas, which, yeah, I want the missus a toilet seat for Christmas.
Yes, I did. So there we go. That's how that
And,
works.
4, wax
All right.
seals.
So then we're going
So,
to stop
and
the
I
video.
knew that hadn't been bothering me at all until there's a little bit of a restriction down the line a little bit.
Somehow. So now I'm going to see if I can play music from a dongle. See how that works. First, you need a USB stick with music on it. Then you gotta figure out where it fell to. Ah. Then you gotta figure out where it fell to. Then you gotta figure out which way it goes. There we go. And there we go.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto South Packard Avenue.
Some light interference here. This is some YouTube music, so I know it's okay. Let's try
Take
it.
the next right onto South Packard Avenue, then turn left.
Blow your ears.
Oh, that's some weird music. Got about 4 songs in here. Oh, now I need those speakers. That's another project. Okay. Well, it works. Sounds okay. Once you figure it out, you gotta know to
Then
push
your
that button
destination will be
down,
on the right.
and then it tells you on the display what the frequency is, and then you set the radio to that frequency. So that's what I did wrong. Well, that's my video today. Hope it helped you. I think this thing is pretty good. Sounds pretty good. I'm not a great audiophile, but you know, it'll do what I want it to do once I figure out how to do it. Please give me a like if it helped you out. Subscribe if you like do videos like this. And until next time, thank you.